Hey my goddesses, so welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a protective style with some Freetress wig that I have found at my local beauty supply store. But right now we're going to braid up the hair, oil it, and get ready to put the wig on for the week, or at least for tomorrow. Ladies, so I just wanted to inform you guys that I am not a braider, so don't judge me on my braids. And yes, that oil is from Vicky Bees herself. That is a growth oil. It is amazing. I use it on both of my kids and I use it on myself. So I have 4 braids here and we're about to put on the show wig. It is popping and there is no combs at all. It's literally a shake and put on your head, girl, and let's get it going.